Have you ever noticed your Audi transmission behaving strangely? Maybe the gear changes feel slightly rough. Maybe the car hesitates before accelerating. Or maybe the gearbox sometimes shifts harder than expected. Many Audi owners immediately think something is wrong with the transmission. They start worrying about expensive repairs. But in many cases, the real problem is not the gearbox itself. It's a simple driving habit that slowly damages how the transmission behaves over time. And the surprising part is that thousands of Audi drivers do this every single day without realizing it. Modern Audi transmissions, especially S-Tronic and Tiptronic systems, are extremely advanced. They are controlled by software that constantly adapts to the way you drive. The system learns throttle input and braking patterns. It learns your acceleration habits and driving environment. Over time, the transmission adjusts how it shifts gears based on this data. If you drive smoothly most of the time, the system adapts to comfort driving. If you drive aggressively, the gearbox adapts to faster shifting. But here's where many drivers make a mistake. They never allow the transmission to reset and recalibrate properly. And when this happens, the gearbox builds non-ideal patterns. For example, short city trips, stop-and-go traffic, constant low-speed driving. These situations cause the transmission to adapt toward very soft and early gear changes. After months or years of this driving style, the gearbox can start behaving differently. Acceleration feels slower. Downshifts feel delayed. The car may feel heavier when pressing the throttle. Many drivers assume the engine is losing power, but often the real cause is transmission adaptation. Audi engineers designed these systems to learn and adjust constantly. But they also expect the car to occasionally experience normal full driving cycles. That means highway speeds, stable cruising, moderate acceleration. When the car only experiences short urban driving cycles, the gearbox never recalibrates properly, and this can slowly affect how the vehicle behaves. It's a subtle change that builds over thousands of miles. Before we go deeper, if you enjoy discovering hidden Audi engineering details, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It helps us continue. Now let's talk about something many Audi drivers never realize. The system actually has a way to relearn and optimize its shifting behavior, but it requires a specific type of driving pattern. When done correctly, the car immediately feels smoother and more responsive. In Part 2, we'll explain exactly how to reset the driving behavior. It's simply how the system has adapted to your habits.
In Part 1, we talked about something many Audi drivers don't realize. Modern Audi transmissions are not just mechanical systems. They are adaptive systems controlled by software, which means the gearbox is constantly analyzing how you drive. Every time you accelerate, every time you brake, every time you stop in traffic, the transmission control unit collects data and adjusts the shifting strategy accordingly. Audi calls this transmission adaptation. And it's one of the reasons modern Audi gearboxes can feel incredibly smooth. But it also means something else. If your driving habits change over time, the transmission slowly adapts to those habits. And sometimes, it adapts in ways that make the car feel less responsive. Let's imagine a typical daily driving pattern. Short trips, heavy traffic, frequent stops, very light throttle input. In this situation, the transmission begins prioritizing efficiency and comfort. It shifts earlier. It avoids aggressive downshifts. It keeps engine RPM lower. Over time, the gearbox becomes extremely optimized for slow urban driving, which sounds good in theory, but it can create an unexpected effect. When you suddenly need stronger acceleration, merging onto a highway, overtaking another vehicle, climbing a steep road, the transmission may hesitate before reacting. Drivers often describe it as, the car feels slow, the gearbox takes a moment to wake up, or the car doesn't respond immediately. But the transmission isn't broken. It has simply adapted to the driving environment it experiences most often. And this happens more frequently than many Audi owners think. Another factor that influences behavior is driving mode selection. When your Audi stays permanently in comfort or auto mode, the gearbox becomes increasingly optimized for smoothness and fuel efficiency. That means early gear shifts and very relaxed throttle response. But when the car is occasionally driven in dynamic mode, the system allows more aggressive gear changes. The transmission holds gears longer, downshifts occur earlier, and the gearbox becomes more responsive to driver input. This doesn't permanently change the transmission, but it allows the control software to experience a wider range of driving conditions, which helps the system maintain balanced behavior. Audi engineers designed these gearboxes to operate across many different driving styles. But when the car only experiences very gentle urban driving, the system never fully explores its more responsive calibration patterns. And that can slowly change how the vehicle feels. There's another important factor as well: temperature and driving cycles. Many modern transmissions perform internal calibration during longer, stable driving periods. Highway driving allows a complete range of gears. Short city trips rarely allow this process to happen, which is why city drivers notice the car feels different during long highway trips. Suddenly, the gearbox feels smoother, more predictable, more responsive. That's not your imagination. That's the system operating through a full adaptation cycle. But the story doesn't end here, because there is another habit that many Audi owners unknowingly ignore. And over long periods, this habit can influence the transmission, but also engine behavior, throttle response, and overall vehicle efficiency. In Part 3, we'll reveal that habit and explain how a simple change can help maintain smooth shifting, responsive acceleration, and long-term transmission health in your Audi.
In the first two parts, we talked about how Audi transmissions constantly adapt to the way you drive. We explained how city driving, short trips, and very gentle throttle input can slowly teach the gearbox to behave differently over time. But now, let's talk about the habit that many Audi drivers ignore. Because this small behavior can make a big difference in how the transmission, engine, and electronics work together. And that habit is never allowing the car to complete a full driving cycle. Modern Audi vehicles are extremely sophisticated. The engine control unit, transmission control module, and many other electronic systems constantly communicate with each other. They monitor temperature, throttle position, driving load, gear usage, and even driving environment. But these systems are designed with a certain expectation. Audi engineers assume the car will occasionally experience longer, stable driving conditions. Not only short city trips, not only stop-and-go traffic, but also periods where the vehicle operates normally across different speeds and loads. For example, driving on the highway for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the transmission to move through several gears under stable conditions, letting the engine reach and maintain its proper operating temperature. These driving conditions allow the vehicle's control systems to perform internal recalibrations and adaptation updates. Without these full cycles, some systems simply never complete their optimization process. And this is especially true for automatic transmissions. When the car only experiences short trips, starting, driving a few minutes, stopping again, the transmission never fully stabilizes. Oil temperature may remain low, gear usage remains limited, and the system continues operating inside a very narrow driving range. Over time, this can influence how the gearbox behaves. Shifts may feel slightly inconsistent, acceleration may feel less immediate, downshifts may feel delayed. Again, this doesn't mean the transmission is failing. It simply means the system has adapted to the conditions it experiences most often. Fortunately, the solution is simple. Occasionally allow your Audi to experience a complete driving cycle. This means driving long enough for the engine and transmission to reach normal operating temperature, maintaining steady speeds for a period of time, and allowing the car to move through different gears naturally. This type of driving helps the transmission software refresh its adaptation patterns. Many drivers notice the difference almost immediately. The gearbox feels smoother. Downshifts become more predictable. Acceleration feels more responsive. And the car overall feels more balanced. This isn't a trick or a hidden modification. It's simply allowing the vehicle to operate the way its engineers designed it to. Modern Audi cars are incredibly advanced machines, but like any sophisticated system, they perform best when they experience a full range of operating conditions. Understanding these small details can make a big difference in long-term reliability and driving enjoyment. If you enjoy learning about hidden Audi behaviors, engineering insights, and real-world driving tips, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing detailed Audi-focused content, because the more you understand your Audi, the better it will perform for you over time.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.